name is Adeleke Adekunle David. I'm from Osun State, Osogbo precisely. I play for Abia Warriors Football Club. I'm a central defender.
Winning.
Winning.
Yeah.
So you just left each other.
Want to win for Nigeria. A wonderful place, Lagos. A wonderful pitch, the stadium, the fans, and when we go into the pitch, we feel Nigeria in us. So just one win and make everyone happy.
Yeah, it's nice. It's different. I mean, it's my family away from my family. I've known these boys for so long now, 7 years. We've been together every few months, and I love them like my brother. So it's nice to spend time with them as well. Of course, I would love to be in a home with my kids, but it doesn't always work out like that. And the sacrifice we make. But at the same time, there's enough time to celebrate my birthday when I get back. And we're here for business now, so I'm just focused on Friday.
I just want to play football.
Just want to play football.
Play football, enjoy the game, and achieve something that I always want to achieve before my retirement comes.
Of course, I know it's a very big opportunity and it's a big exposure for me. From here, I know it can take me to anywhere, and that is what I'm looking forward to. So I'll try to give my best as much as the opportunity comes. I'll give my best. I pray from dear God, just do the rest.
You as a player, you put yourself under pressure to perform because you want to get that shirt. You perform because you want to be, I'm not gonna lie, you want supporters to like you, you want your coach to like you. So you need to perform well in order to get the shirt. You need to perform well on the pitch on match day in order to keep your shirt. And on top of that, you need to make you guys happy, supporters happy, the coach happy. So I think that's enough.
You know, I feel like one of the things now is I've been in the team for a longer time, and having some other boys that are a bit older than me is that we have experience in the back line. And of course, like Chiellini, Bonucci, those are the kind of players that I look up in my career. I've always have done, and they've shown that they can still do it at the top level, even in their mid-30s. So I'm 28 today, so hopefully I can still make this last a bit longer. And my aim is just to get better every time and improve. And I think the most important thing for me in my position is the experience. And I'm getting that every time I'm playing for the Super Eagles. So we'll get there. And hopefully if I can contribute with any goals, then I'll be more than happy to do that.
It feels good to be back. I'm here to give 100% as usual. And the version you will see is the best version of me.
2.0.
So I just know that he called me the national team and going to camp. She was like, national team. I said, yes. She said, from where? How did it happen? I was like, I don't know. Probably your prayers are really working. So I just told her to just keep praying for me and never to stop so that I can get to the top.
No, I'm loving it. I'm really lucky. I feel like I'm living my dream now, playing in the Premier League and being a part of the Super Eagles team is something that I dreamt of as a kid. So I'm just enjoying every moment, every game. And I'm just so focused on that now. And then afterwards, it's always going to be my dream to try and help other players, young people come through and achieve their dream. So that'll be my next thing up. But for now, it's just trying to elevate Nigerian football, and I can do that best on the field of play. So I'm trying to do that.
I win match na World Cup. Amma duka mu mun san muna so mu qualifying zuwa World Cup din. Zamu buga kaman final ne, gane. Zamu ci match din a Nigeria. Duka mu zamu tafi da rawa.
It's like we have a strong African team, and I think people enjoy watching us play. And we're really trying to do our best to make everyone proud. And we request the chef to make us some jollof now and then, but they haven't done that, so that's not going to happen anytime soon. But we still definitely have our little days when we go for dinner. We enjoy African food, Nigerian food whenever we're in London as well. So it's a massive Nigerian community in London, and I feel like we are representing that at Watford.
If we qualify for the last game to World Cup, I promise you I will dance that dance when you are here.
Namibia, Adeleke Adekunle David. The boy wanna know from first start, from FHA field.
Poco. Thank you.
Pressure, no day, finish for market, but we do it.